Hello, my people. How body? Na me again, Dara for Dara Talk Show. If na your first time wey you just dey watch my video, you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, abeg wetin you still dey wait for? Kindly join me na, press that red button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell. Also, join me on my Facebook page called Dara Talk Show. Be part of DTS family. DTS means Dara Talk Show. Yes, follow, like, and share my video. Thanks as una do. So, wetin I wan come talk today? This picture wey una dey see now, this is Nkechi Sunday. That our Nollywood yellow pawpaw with XXL backside. Yes. So she dey trend for some times now. She dey have problem with Sindodo for some weeks back, so she dey accuse Sindodo, say Sindodo one thing dey run one thing with im fiancé, and this fiancé now na one of Nollywood actor, but na upcoming actor like that. No be say he really don dey popular like that, but we hear say the thing na plan between Deyemi. The actor name na Deyemi, and the guy dey US, you understand. If una go remember, say some months back Nkechi travel go US go shoot one movie with this particular guy Deyemi, and from the movie now Nkechi dey show us say na im fiancé, but we come hear the gist say the guy now he wan trend and he wan make people sabi am well, he wan popular, so he come run am plan am with Nkechi make dem dey do like say dem dey friend. But this Deyemi, he get one baby mama. Dem never talk say dem marry, but na im baby mama wey be say im dey get serious relationship. This thing na dem just plan am like movie, make for trend, make people for just know the guy. But along the line, e come be like say this our sister Nkechi, she just gel for the guy, and the thing she wan come turn am to reality. So Sindodo now, secret Sindodo, una still know that our quiet with tiny voice like me. I love her when she's screaming. So with some other colleagues, dem travel go US go shoot one movie or premiere one movie or the other. So from there now, this guy Deyemi also dey the movie. Now they come snap picture together. So secret Sindodo now, she come carry the picture wey she snap with Deyemi, she put her for her IG, na she upload am. Na im Nkechi see am. Na so yawa just gas. So na this our Nkechi, she begin dey rant, she begin dey rake, she dey call Sindodo different names, and one aunty agbaya, she dey throw shade and everything, say make dem pack well. Na so they will do, they will dey lie, dey pretend dey na one thing, na movie, so tey they will come dey from back come dey sleep with the guy and all this thing. So the problem just dey like that. Everybody dey wonder, na why? Because Nkechi don even tell us say she and this Deyemi guy dem dey marry next year 2020. Yes, so we dey wait for the marriage next year now, because dem made us believe say something dey go on between them. Na later we come know say na lie. Na the guy ask Nkechi make dem dey plan am, make dem dey do am like that, like a movie. Na see say movie don still enter their life. Yes, so sometimes you no fit differentiate their life from the movie. Yes, so from there now e come be like say Nkechi come dey be like say she come dey gel for this guy, she come dey fall in love with am. Na so she wan come turn am to reality show. So the guy too come dey play along now, but guys now dem know wetin dem dey do. And this guy called Deyemi na in baby mama still dey there. So e be like say that one too know the plan, know wetin dey happen. But as the thing, as Nkechi come dey wan dey twist the whole thing to reality, to dey make people believe say na true. So na so the chat between that baby mama and the Deyemi now still come out, where the baby mama dey accuse am say no, this Nkechi still don dey take this thing too far, say he no want am again like that. So the guy still dey try to bring im own baby mama down, make no worry, say everything still dey in control. So na so dem dey do. Na so Nkechi begin dey fight secret Sindodo, say anything im go deal with am, im go beat am blue black and all this thing. So say secret Sindodo also, that one for US, she still hear am, come send video, make video for IG, send am to them, say no problem. He hear say una dey look for her, una wan beat am because of Deyemi, because dem say una she dey friend Deyemi. She no deny whether she dey friend Deyemi or not, you understand, but for that video she say make dem no worry o, im dey come anytime wey e dey come like this. As she dey enter Muritala Muhammed airport, she go just do live video make dem for know where she dey. If dem wan really come beat am, make dem come meet am where she dey, make dem come beat am. Na im we just dey do, dey go say wetin happen na, so tey Deyemi of the guy sef come even come out say how person go just dey begin dey look for trouble anyhow like this. So as a colleague, dem dey shoot movie together, dem come snap, dem put am for social media. That one come mean anything? Person no go fit snap with im colleagues, put am, upload am again. So na so dem don dey Deyemi and Nkechi now, they come dey get this problem like that. So tey Deyemi just delete all Nkechi picture for her IG, and also Nkechi also, that one still send message, still upload so many things like, okay, the relationship don pack up, e no dey with the relationship again, atilo atibo of a thing. Before im talk say im don dey engaged, but now im don dey free. Anybody wey dey interested in her, e fit come talk to her now, so im dey available. But this Nkechi now, she come dey fight one of our one of the blogger, very serious blogger like that, wey dey blog them up and down. Una remember this blogger wey blog Toyin Aimaku and some of their colleagues like that. That guy, that blogger, I don't know whether na man or na woman, because they don't know in identity. So the guy, the person, me at the talk and say the person, now among of them where they act, now they do this thing, because the way that they take gets their this thing, their secrets, I don't understand. So it be like say Nkechi now want to can't go, they make trouble with the guy. Now the guy kukuma face, I go read am for now. So the guy now, the blogger now, Kukuma Verse says, Nkechi, since you dey look for trouble, he go give am full dose. And since she wan really trend, he go help am make she trend well. So may una hear wetin the guy wrote. He said, oh well, since you crave attention so bad, let's give it to you. Hippopotamus Nkan Alejo for Yoruba industry souvenir. Hey, una hear am, no be me talk am. Na the blogger talk Nkechi, call Nkechi Nkan Alejo as in souvenir. He say for the industry, the movie industry, Nkechi na Nkan Alejo. Hippopotamus. Now to set the record straight, your puna is a giveaway. So now the blogger say Nkechi puna na giveaway. Anybody, if you just apply, come like this, you don't cash am. So she say Nkechi puna is a giveaway zone. You are doing that show, I be waiting, be that one name and forcing yourself so bad on the so-called Deyemi. So this blogger now, wetin they tell us now for this video, for this this thing for him page, he say Nkechi, he dey fuck one guy at the same time they do this Deyemi, and Nkechi still dey do Deyemi. They claim say next year they go marry. So I read on. Well, let me take you down memory lane for Perez City. How you and your beer parlor mom chop the same bula. Oh, how your street boys molested you. How you became a dropout in the university for lesbianism allegation. Now the blogger talk am, I just dey read am where they put am, where they write am. If you no believe, you to go on social media, you go see am there. Where I no go tell you, do the find it yourself. Now he say Nkechi and im mama, then they chop the same sugar cane, the same stick. Now they shop. Say Nkechi mama na beer parlor person. Abeg, beer parlor no be business. Business na business. Na me una know they run people business down. I no support una for that one. So he said they still rusticate Nkechi for university because he dey practice lesbianism. Now the blogger talk am, no be me, I dey read am. How you were served as a meal for Asiwaju Jagaban. Now this blogger still talk and say then carry Nkechi go do Nkan Alejo for our main Jagaban, the ex-governor of Lagos State, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, aka Jagaban. They say they carry Nkechi go give am. How you were served as a meal for Asiwaju Jagaban, and how he rejected you because of the odor. He said they carry Nkechi go meet Bola Tinubu, aka Jagaban. maybe na the man even apply for am, because if you see that backyard, say Nigerian men, they know they take their eye see big yansh and big breast. Na there they go bury them put. Abeg make una no vex if I talk that one. So now, but because of according to wetin this blogger write now, e says Nkechi now reach there because the odor wey dey Nkechi body, e dey very strong, so the man no fit swallow am. He say na so the man rejected am. So he say how you were served as a meal for Asiwaju Jagaban, and how he rejected you because of odor, how he gave you 500k thanks for coming. So because according to this blogger, he say Nkechi now, because of the odor wey he get for body, the so-called our Jagaban Bola Tinubu no fit hold that odor, e too strong for am. So he say make dey waka, dey carry him wahala dey go, but e no just leave am like that. E dash am 500k. Omo, oh boy, for nothing. 500k, 500,000 na big money now for that Nigeria, even anywhere. E no easy, my people. So then you say Bola Tinubu now, e dash Nkechi 500k for coming, as in thanks for coming. So according to him now, I read on, and ever since then you kept famsing Asiwaju. Even on his birthday, you composed a message for him, happy birthday Akoni, but you were ignored. So this blogger now say that's our sister with heavy backyard. So they say after he don't go meet Asiwaju now, Asiwaju no shop am, just dash am 500k compensation for coming without even touching now. No. So since then they say Nkechi now, he go just dey force herself, like say in don sure in the among of the list where they see Ahmed Tinubu now, that Baba Jagaban himself. So, but they say the man, he no just even look inside. So when the man they celebrate in birthday, they say Nkechi go write happy birthday Akani, and before you go feel, a woman go feel, they call a person, another man, a man like that with in Oriki name. Wetin they call Oriki sef? I don't even know for English. So if you're a Yoruba, you go know, every Yoruba people, we have a Oriki name. Yes, this is what they, like me, I'm Abebi. Others they will say Ojulo, like me, Abebi, and others they feel bear different name. Akonwo, Akoni, Ishola, like that. So they say for Jagaban birthday now, Nkechi they write happy birthday Akoni. May una see the close, and it just they do, make them for say she dey close to Bola Tinubu, and they say Bola Tinubu now, that one no just even look inside, talk less of reply him. So, and I continue. So I say happy birthday Akani, but you were ignored. How Mofa enter your puna? That Mofa. When I remember Mofa now, where EFCs arrested her. Hey, they say plenty money dey that guy hand. Now they say even our so-called almighty Mofa still shop from that punani, Nkechi punani. Hey, but you were ignored. Mofa enter your punani with 50k. You saw Iyabo in Mofa's house recently, and your body begin to pepper you. You started throwing your useless, unnecessary shades. So they say Mofa, the same Mofa where EFCs they arrest, they say still shop this Nkechi punani too. They say after he shop and give am 50k, I beg upon all the money billions wey Mofa dey get, how go just dey give Nkechi 50k? Wetin be 50k? All these people sef na wa. So now this blogger still talk and say e get one time wey Nkechi go there, na I come meet Iyabo Ojo there. As he meet Iyabo Ojo there, now they said na so body dey begin the pepper like every one of them. And I don't talk for one of my videos, say the reason why when you see all this our celebrity, all this our Nollywood actor, actresses, they quarrel now, because especially this our actresses them now the same sugarcane. Now all of them they shop round. Now so one person just shop her like this, the next person goes take am from hand, another person go snatch am. Now make them they shop the same bola, all of them they shop. So that's why you can never see they go quarrel. Every now and then they go quarrel. If you can't be say, oh, now remember that guy where they Turkey that time, Otuba Cash. Now so all of them still they bombard that guy anyhow because of the money where they in hand. Since that day wey the day wey EFCC go arrest that guy, abi who even arrest am, whether na for abroad here dem arrest am sef. No be EFCC. For Turkey dem arrest am. Since that time till this present moment, as our Nollywood sister dey ran this guy, dem dey fly up and down, dey go Turkey. You go see that time wey that guy still dey, wey dem never catch am. You go just see all our celebrities, all those Nollywood actresses. Na so Turkey. Na that guy dey go dey meet because of money. But as dem don catch am now, nobody even come out come do one thing or say one thing. So dem say for Murphy now, Murphy dey shop Nkechi Punani. Nkechi now go visit Murphy. Come see Iyabo Ojo there. So she started to dey throw shade give Iyabo. So then I continue. You started throwing your useless, unnecessary shades. Hey girl, I don't throw shades. I wear them. Na the blogger dey talk and say Nkechi sabi throw shades, but him say him no dey throw shades, so him dey wear am make for no say na him be baba for shades. God. So you saw Iyabo in Mofa's house recently and your body begin to pepper you. You started throwing useless, unnecessary shades. Hey girl, I don't throw shades. I wear them. Enough of your gist full here. All this your gra attention seeking on the gram is irritating. Anti-souvenir. Na Nkechi be anti-souvenir. Another name for Nkechi na souvenir. Anti-souvenir, please behave yourself for once and borrow sense. You were shaming Seyi Edo for snatching husband. How about you that slept with Niyi Johnson while he was still married to Toyin? Hey, I've never heard this one before, Lou. And I don't hear him. This blogger, hey, you really hope who kind of woman. He say Nkechi dey fight Seyi Edo, say he snatch Niyi Johnson from Toyin Abraham. But this blogger now come still down to talk and say that particular time when Niyi Johnson and Toyin Abraham, they still dey together as husband and wife. They say Nkechi still shop Niyi Johnson sugar cane. He still shop Digbola. In best way, because Nkechi make everybody know say Nkechi and Toyin Abraham, then they very, very close. But if not true for this one, really na bad thing you do, my sister, I no go lie you. So the guy now still talk. Na me you want take use open high for gram. Your fashion designer is in my DM, about to call you out for debt. Una I will see say for some times now, for some months now, I will see say Nkechi dressing a picture uploading in IG na every minute, every seconds with different kind of beautiful clothes. Now this blogger dey talk say even the fashion designer wey Nkechi dey buy all those clothes, he still don message this blogger say Nkechi dey owe am, he dey owe am big money and he wan come disgrace am for social media. So he say na him still dey tell the person make calm down. Now he said your audio lifestyle is about to come to an end. You know, audio life now, this Nigeria, you go see audio marriage, audio business, audio this, audio money, audio, everything na audio. They were talking, no be real, na life, fake life. You think I don't know you follow the page with your mom page? You created a page for her and you are following the blog with the page. I saw it and smile. You think you're smart, abi? You go get sense in alejo. You will be sorry, babe. No unnecessary shade, darling. I say it as it is. God punish devil and him disciples. Spirit shade in the comment section and have me to contend with. Igewedo Niwoluwa, bag of rice won't fall on us. So let us respect ourselves before stray bullets will hit somebody for forehead. I come in peace. So I forgot to mention how you slept with Demola Maya award. Just to win ordinary award, you are that low. So this blogger now say Nkechi even sleep with one of the guy where they organize all this their award of a thing. Before now this award for Nigeria, they get respect. Nowadays, even you as you dey watch me now, if you get the time, the money, how much they crave, they buy all this their award or whatever, you go just buy and they arrange one thing and you look for sponsor. That's why you see some of nowadays you go just see every nooks and cranny. I win award, I won this one, I won that, best this, best that. But to me, It doesn't move me. So because Tete, I don't hear this day say some of our brothers and sisters wey dem dey all this their celebrity dem, dem fit dey go bribe all those people wey dey award dem. They go pay for the award. They go still use some our women now. You know say some of them wey dem no get money na this our punani na im dem dey use dey take cover up, you know. So dem still talk am say one guy dey bear Demola Maya, e dey give award. Nkechi still go sleep with her, make e for give her award. Abeg, wetin person no go see? Wetin person eyes no go see? Wetin person hear no go hear for this our celebrity? Na so dirty up and down. Wetin come be all this one now? This one na Nkechi. See, if you hear this video, make you change your way, because you dey do movie. E no come make you dey different from others, and besides, no be only you one dey that Yoruba movie industry. Your own still don too much nowadays. Every now and then, you go share this one, you go fight this one, you go fight everybody. You be agbero. Even the agbero sef wey we dey tell you, we dey call that time say agbero. They still don change their way now. They no dey behave like that anymore. But you, we be say some people, you be some people's mentor. That they look up to you. They want to emulate you. They want to copy your way, the way you are doing, the way you dress, the way you act, and all this thing. Abeg, make you still dey do your plus and minus. Make you dey check up very, very well. If people dey look up to una, make una no dey come out for social media, come dey do one dirty things, and make una dey think twice before una do una runs. You understand? Because as una dey do am, e dey link. As e dey link, na e dey bring yawa for una. This is the part of the yawa. Una go still dey do am codedly. Una go think say dem no dey see. Abeg, one day, monkey go market, e no go return o. Na im this one wey come still happen now. Abeg, Nkechi, take am easy, my sister. Easy does it. Take a chill pill. Enjoy your life. Till when next I come your way, I remain myself Udara for Dara Talk Show. No forget, help me share my video, drop your comment and let me know your opinion. Join me on my Facebook page called Dara Talk Show. Be part of Dara Talk Show family. And don't forget also my YouTube channel.